So how can you upload a video to the Google Drive on an iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there are actually more ways you can do this, but in either case, make sure you have the Google Drive app downloaded from the App Store, installed properly, and that you are signed in with your account so you can access your files. Now, you can go directly to just your regular gallery of the iPhone, locate the videos like that, click on share, and from the apps which show up in here, you should be able to find the Google Drive right away, right? So you can select it like this, choose the account folder, and perhaps the sharing options, but you can upload it directly from the Photos app, which is very convenient. It works well, and I would recommend you to do it like this, right? So that's the way I personally prefer it. But on the other hand, you can also open up the Drive application like that, look up your folders or create a brand new one, tap on the plus button right here, click on upload file, choose photos and videos, go to your videos like that, and upload your videos like this directly through the Google Drive application, right? So you can select even more in here, whatever, and upload them like that. So in either case, you will have your videos most likely successfully uploaded to the Google Drive. So let me know if it worked out well for you in the comments below. In case of any questions, use that section as well. But most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. That's it for me, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.